5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Anyone show? 4 ducklings returned. 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. Anyone show? 3 ducklings splashed. 3 little ducks jumped in the stream. Bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. Anyone show? 2 ducklings roam. 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back. Anyone show? 1 duckling lost. 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. Anyone show? No ducklings left. No little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called, quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back.